Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Yo Cheng Yi and my matrix number is 303844. And today I'm gonna introduce our project which is mental health patient system. Our concept of this project is used to build an user-friendly mental health patient system to facilitate the organization and management of each patient mental health record. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain how I designed this project, how I designed the interface of this project. Okay, so for the main panel, I using border layout to sort all the element, and for the input panel and the button panel, I using grid layout to sort all the element like information on name and button. And for this line, this line of coding, I show how I design the color of the button or the design of the button. And once I finish the design of the button, I used to be add the method function, which is button function of add, update, delete, search, display all and clear. And now I'm gonna explain how the each button function work. Okay, so for first of the all add function, okay, like maybe the patient is Chen, Yo Chen, and the health conditions may be like he got the PTSD, and therapy will be the physical therapy. Okay, once you input all the patient information, you can just click the add button, and all this information will automatically record in the table. Like add will show the information added successful, and just now the input information will automatically save in the table. Okay, for the second function is update. Like maybe you typo or something, you can just click of the table you wanted to update, and maybe PTSD is like psycho. Okay, psycho. And once you just click the update button, it will just update the information that you just now input into the table. Okay, it will show information update successfully, and boom, health in condition already updated to physical. Okay, for the third function of the button will be delete. Okay, but let me explain first. Okay, this is the coding that add function work. It will just input, once you input the information added successfully, like this one information added successfully, it will just run the refresh table. Refresh table will be outside, okay, this row, and you will set the row count and add the row code info name, info health count, and current info therapy, current info data registration, that registration, and which is the table will automatically refresh once you insert all the patient information and click the add button. Okay, that's the same concept for the update button. And now it is a delete button, which is, but let me add some information first, like the second patient will be RQ, health condition will be like PTSD, therapy also same like physical therapy. Okay, added. Okay, like for example, you want to delete the first one just now you input in the table. You want to delete this row of the information, you just click the delete button. It will pop up a delete confirmation, asks you, are you sure delete from record or not? If you click no, it will just end the section. And if you click yes, it will just delete the selected information. Okay, for the coding one is like, okay, this is the function deleted. Okay, once you just click the yes button, it will just run the list DQ, which we already put the cube concept into this coding, like first in first out, and same it will just run the refresh table function and also clear the input. Okay, okay, now for the rest of the three button, I will just let my teammates explain to all of you guys. Okay, so that's of my presentation. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hilman bin Fahmi Hazim. My magic number is 307917. Okay, I'm going to explain about the three other button, which is search, display all, and clear. So first one, which is search. So the search button will find the name, the patient based on name. If the name doesn't exist, like this. So when we search, the it will show the panel patient not found. So when we search by name and the data is exists, the panel will show the patient's credentials, the information about the patient. Okay, the function behind the search button is the button function will call the instance method that will call the method of search. So the search is basically a function that's create a node, instance node, for to point the fronts of the linked list. So the front of linked list will go through a traversal from the first node to the last node in the linked list to be to find the data that have a same name as the data in the records. If the data found, then it will return the found to the table and will be added to the table and will be displayed. Okay. The second is the function display all. This function is default shown by here. So this function is actually a function that show. Let me explain this. Okay, this is the function. So the function actually will create an instant node for the front and do a traversal to find traversal into the linked list to find every node that has in the records. So if it find once like this, then it will be shown here. So it will traverse through the linked list to get the info, then will be added to the row and to will be displayed in the table. And the last one is the clear. The clear is the function that if we click, it will show this delete confirmation to clear the records. So this function, I will explain first. This function will clear this one, will set the front and rear to the null. So when the function we use, for example, the function for displaying all the data, we use the instant node list to point at the front. If the front is null and the rear is null, there is no data to be found. So that's how the functions clear works. So the front, the pointer of rear and null in the linked list of the node show to the null. So the no data is no data will be found in the table. So that's all.